Honestly, the quick turnaround time was probably the biggest surprise, along with having that software. Again, that was, I can't say, as the retail side of things, I can't say enough good things about having that software. Being able to confidently order for customers and knowing that it's going to work on that job and I'm not going to have to replace panels on my own dime. It's like I said, it's an absolute game changer for us. If they're not the best spigot in the industry, I haven't seen one that's better. It's got about a pound over the other competitors' spigots that we have seen anyhow. The powder coating on the black is exceptionally durable. We love the fact that it does not scratch while we're installing it. We did have problems with the painted black spigots that we were getting in the past, where they were very, very fragile and easily scratched up. So having a heavy rated spigot with great engineering behind it that we know we can put on any level for second stories, it's nice that we don't have to upgrade to a bigger spigot like we have in the past. It's just a night and day difference from our previous spigots that we've carried installed. At this stage of the game, and we put some quite a few orders together, I think this summer, I can give you nothing but a 10 out of 10. The speedy turnaround time, the demos and displays that we have out here made it very, very easy for us to jump on board with you guys. And again, the customer service, the quick turnaround times, the quality of the product. I can give you nothing better than a 10 out of 10 for you guys.